Okay, determine the rate of change in initial condition for these functions using correct notation. Okay, now you'll want to keep in mind that we go y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, which is the rate, and b is the initial condition. Okay, and a rate can be written as either m or delta y over delta x, or whatever other letters we want to use. The initial condition is usually 0 comma b. Okay, so let's do that. So I can see there's my initial condition here is -4, and my rate of change is 2/3, and I could say delta y over delta x equals 2/3. Alright, and then I could say here my initial condition is 0 comma 5, and my rate of change delta y over delta x is -3/1. And here my initial condition is 0 comma 4.2, and my rate of change, which I could call delta f over delta x, is -1/4. And on D, my initial condition is 0 comma -3. My rate of change is delta g over delta x is 6/1. And let's say I have the variable t here, so I'm going to have delta s over delta t. Rate of change is 9.8/1, and my initial condition is 0 comma 40.1. Alright, and last two examples. Okay, I have the function f of x, so that'll be there. Okay, now I can look here. My initial condition on this one is 5, so 0 comma 5, so I have 5, and my rate of change, I'm going down 2 and over 1, so -2x. And then here my initial condition is 0, -3. It's also known as my y-intercept, -3. And it looks like I go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 1/4 x. Now notice you can also, I could have also written this 1g of x equals 1/4 x minus 3. And I could have also written this one, f of x equals -2x plus 5. Because order when you add or subtract, or when you add, doesn't matter. Okay?